solve this equation. D square minus 3D plus 2 operating on y equal to cos of e power minus x. Now this is of the form f of y equal to q, where f of d equal to d square minus 3d plus 2. So the auxiliary equation is nothing but m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. That is m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 equal to 0. That is m into m minus 2 minus of m minus 2 equal to 0. That is m minus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 or 2. So the complementary function is c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x. So the particular integral yp equal to au plus bv. What is a? U e power x, b equal to e power 2x. u dash e power x, b dash 2 into e power 2x. Therefore u v dash minus bu dash is equal to nothing but e power x into 2 e power 2x. That becomes 2 times e power 3x. Similarly minus e power x into e power 2x, that is e power 3x. So 2 minus 1, 1. So we get simply e power 3x. Therefore now we are going to calculate the parameter capital A. What is A? Integral minus dr by uv dash minus bu dash dx. So integral what is b? Minus e power 2x. And what is r? R is nothing but cos e power minus x divided by e power 3x into dx. So this is can be written as, put e power minus x is equal to t. Therefore e power 2x by e power 3x, that becomes actually e power minus x and cos of e power minus x. Put e power minus x is equal to t. Therefore minus e power minus x dx is equal to d. So this becomes minus e power minus x dx. This becomes dt. This becomes cos t. Cos t dt equal to sin t. So integral of cos t is nothing but sin t. Therefore a is equal to sin of e power minus x. Now what is b? b is nothing but integral ur by uv dash minus bu dash dx. That is u equal to e power x into cos of e power minus x divided by e power 3x into dx. That is equal to integral. Once again e power 3x, when it goes up, e power x into e power minus 3x, that becomes e power minus 2x into cos of e power minus x dx. Once again put e power minus x is equal to t minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. This can be written as, I am going to split this as product of two terms, minus e power minus x into minus e power minus x. So 1 minus of e power minus x I am taking here, and here I am going to write. So that this term becomes minus t cos t and this term becomes dt. So once again minus t cos t dt I am going to write that as t times derivative of minus sin t. What is derivative of minus sin t? Minus cos t. So this is of the form integral u dv. What is integral u dv? uv minus integral v du. u into v minus v sin t minus of minus plus, once again integral of sin t minus cos t. So minus cos t. So v is nothing but once again minus, what is t? E power minus x into sin of e power minus x minus cos into e power minus x. So finally yp, the particular integral is nothing but au plus bv. So yp equal to sin of e power minus x into e power x plus b, that is minus e power minus x into sin of e power minus x minus cos of e power minus x into v. What is v? v is nothing but e power 2x. So into e power 2x. So e power x into sin of e power minus x. This term into e power 2x, that becomes e power minus x into e power 2x. That becomes minus x plus 2x plus x. So minus e power x into sin e power minus x. Once again minus of this term. So e power 2x into cos of e power minus x. These two terms gets cancel each other. Only one term remains here. So yp equal to minus e power 2x into cos of e power minus x. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp is the solution. So y equal to yc, c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x minus e power 2x into cos of e power minus x. That's about this. Now the next problem, y is equal to x and y is equal to x into e power 2x are solutions of homogeneous equations of the following differential equation. అవి రెండు సాధనలు అయితే ఈ సమీకరణానికి సాధనను కనుగొనము అంటారు. సో గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములా రాయాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒకటే ఉన్నది d2y/dx2 coefficient should be 1. So divide throughout the equation by x2. So this becomes d2y/dx2 minus 2x into 1 plus x by x2 into dy by dx plus 2 into x plus 1 by x2 into y equal to x cube by x2. So 2x by x2, 2 into 1 by x into x square by x square 1. Here also x by x square means 1 by x, 1 by x square. Okay, this is in the standard form. What is that? d square y by dx square plus p times dy by dx plus qy equal to r. What is p? Minus 2 into 1 by x plus 1. What is q? 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. What is r? R equal to x equal to differential equation. Now 1 plus p plus q, if you consider, it is not becoming 0. But whereas p plus qx then becomes 0. Minus 2 into this value 1 by x plus 1 plus q 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by x square into x, that becomes automatically 0. Therefore y is equal to x is a part of the complementary function. Now the second solution we can consider it as y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is nothing but v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to dv by dx plus x into d square v by dx square plus dv by dx. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to x into d square v by dx square plus 2 into dv by dx. Now consider the homogeneous differential equation, that is d square y by dx square. Right hand side we are taking it as 0. So for d square y by dx square we are taking this term x d square v by dx square plus 2 into dv by dx minus 2 into 1 by x plus 1 into dy by dx. dy by dx we have calculated just now, v plus x into dv by dx plus this term as it is, but y is equal to dx we are taking. So when you expand this, the equation is going to reduce to this form, x into d square v by dx square minus 2x into dv by dx equal to 0. Actually you can simplify it in a simple manner. D square v by dx square divided by dv by dx we can write directly also, we will get the same answer. Anyway, I have taken dv by dx is equal to z. Therefore d square v by dx square is nothing but dz by dx. So this becomes dz by dx minus 2z is equal to 0. So dz by z minus 2 dx equal to 0. Integral dz by z minus 2 into integral dx equal to integral 0. That is nothing but, so we are having that is equal to, I think we need not take this one also, then we will consider that is equal to, we can take that is equal to the other side. This is equal to, therefore log z is equal to 2x we can take. So that is equal to e power 2x. So automatically this is nothing but integral dv equal to integral e power 2x dx, integral e power 2x, that is 2 into e power 2x. So what is y? Y is equal to vx. So y is equal to 2x, y is equal to x is the first, y is equal to 2x into e power 2x is the second solution. Thank you. This a small correction, integral e power 2x is equal to e power 2x by 2. So automatically y becomes x by 2 into e power 2x by 2. Constant we can leave it and we can take the second solution as x into e power 2x. Solution is x e power 2x. Constant times first solution plus constant times of the second solution. Constant times of first solution, z1 times first solution is what? X, y is equal to x. Second solution is what? X e power 2x. So c2 into x e power 2x. Therefore y2 equal to au plus bv. That is nothing but what is u? U is equal to x, v is equal to x e power 2x. What is u dash? 1. V dash is nothing but derivative of this. E power 2x derivative is 2 into e power 2x. So 2x e power 2x plus derivative of x is 1. So simply 1 into e power 2x. Now what is uv dash minus vu dash? Uv dash x into this. So 2x square e power 2x plus x e power 2x minus u dash v. That is minus x e power 2x. These two terms get cancelled. We get 2x square e power 2x. Therefore a is equal to integral minus vr by uv dash minus vu dash minus x e power 2x into r. R is nothing but x divided by this. Everything gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 dx. That is nothing but minus x by 2. So capital A is equal to minus x by 2. What is v? Integral ur by uv dash minus vu dash. That is u x. What is r? x divided by this 2x square e power 2x. X square gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into e power minus 2x dx. Integral of e power minus 2x is e power minus 2x by minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. That is your b. So what is phi b? Au plus bv. What is a? Minus x by 2 into u. X. What is b? E power minus 2x by minus 4 into v. X e power 2x. On further simplification, this is nothing but minus x square by 2. These two terms gets cancelled. This becomes simply minus x by 4. So finally, what is y? Yc plus yp. What is yc? C1x plus C2x is equal to x minus yp minus x square by 2 minus x by 4. That is the required solution of the given differential equation.